Today's video is packed with awesome tips to help you level up your Etsy game. But before we dive in, did you know that Etsy has over 90 million active buyers worldwide? That's like a small city of people browsing for unique goodies every day. And get this, Etsy sellers collectively made over $10 billion in sales last year. Yep, you heard that right, billions. So if you're ready to boost your Etsy sales and make some serious cash, you're in the right place. All right, let's jump into it. If you started selling products on Etsy and connected it to a print-on-demand company like Printful, and you were excited to start making all this passive income that everybody online is talking about. However, it's been a month or 2 or 3, and you have no sales. Or if you're thinking about selling products on Etsy with print-on-demand, but you're worried about saturation and whether you'll really make money. Today, I'm about to give you some proofing tips that actually work and will help you make your first $1,000, $10,000, $20,000 with print-on-demand. One of the most important things that I always mention, and that I'm going to mention really quickly because we have some other good stuff to get to, is making sure you're selling the right products. I know that sounds basic, but people are not doing the basics, at least not the right way. A really big example of this that's very common is a lot of people just want to start a t-shirt shop. But if you go over to Etsy and type in t-shirt, you'll find over 7 million results. If you just start a t-shirt shop, you'll be number 7,000,001. What that means is basically, you're less likely to be placed on the first page of search results, which is the reason for the 0 sales that many people have. To fix this problem, you want to make sure you're targeting a smaller audience with high demand for the product but low competition. So, let's say you still want to sell t-shirts, but instead focus on teacher shirts. If you type that into Etsy, the results drop to a little over 300,000, but that's still a lot of competition. So you need to dig deeper, maybe find a specific type of teacher shirt or offer custom teacher shirts. Those results might get you about 1,500, and that's the area you want to be in. The biggest thing when trying to make that first $1,000 to $10,000 on Etsy is going to take a lot of product research. One way to make this easier and faster is to use an SEO tool like Sell Samurai. I actually have the Sell Samurai extension in my browser. When you type in a product you're looking for on Etsy, the extension shows you the number of results and search volume. Clicking 500 more takes you to a page where you can view search volume, competition, and filter competition up to a certain amount. In my opinion, good competition is anywhere from around 1,000 to 2,000. You don't want to go over that because you'll probably get lost in the search results. You can do this manually or use this tool to make it easier and faster. With the next tip, you'll want to move a little faster. The next thing you should do is have at least 20 to 30 listings in your shop, especially when you're first starting out. 20 to 30 listings make your shop look active and full. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. When they find your products, they may visit your store to see what else you have. If they see one lonely listing, they won't have the confidence to make a purchase. With so much skepticism online due to scams, ensuring your shop looks full, at least on the first page, is crucial. If you're struggling to come up with 20 listings, you can duplicate another listing. Change the title and main photo. This way, you can compare which keywords and photos perform better. Out of everything I've said and will say, this is crucial. Aim for at least 5 sales and 5 reviews. No one wants to be the first person to buy a product online from you. 89% of customers base their decision to purchase on reviews. Those reviews establish trust. The Etsy algorithm considers the number of reviews and your shop's overall rating when ranking search results. Shops with more reviews are seen as trustworthy and credible, getting priority in search. Even if you have to purchase the first 5 products yourself and review them, do it. Ask family, friends, neighbors, or church members for reviews. Focus on getting those first few reviews. Then, the Etsy algorithm will push it out to more people, and when they see good reviews, they'll make a purchase. Your homework for the week: get 5 sales and 5 reviews. While we're on the Etsy algorithm, let me tell you some other ways to get on its good side. I know you hear SEO all day, but it's essential for your listings. It's how Etsy learns to put your listing before the right people. There are 3 other areas to focus on: choosing the right mockups for your listing and providing quality photos. When someone searches for a product, the first thing they see is the picture. It's my first impression. Printful provides quality photos for your print-on-demand services on Etsy. You can add up to 10 photos to your product. Take advantage of all 10. Looking at Sell Samurai's top sellers for a category like teacher shirts, you can see they're using multiple photos for their products, ranging from 3 to 10. Select your main photo on Printful, which appears on search results. Show different angles of your product, providing a complete experience for the customer, increasing your chances of a sale. Focus on the customer. They decide to buy, not just the computer placing your product. The next focus is on the title. It's critical for search results. Avoid extremely long, confusing titles stuffed with keywords. Keep it clear, short, and to the point. Stick to 2 keyword phrases max. Use SEO tools to find the best keywords people are searching for. Sell. Samurai is currently running a giveaway. Check the description for details. Utilize the tags Etsy allows you to add. 13 tags available, use them all. Avoid repeating words, plurals, or misspellings. Instead, use specific tags targeting different areas. Don't repeat the title in the tags, it diminishes visibility. The description is crucial too. Fill it with additional keywords not used in the title or tags. Printful provides pre-made descriptions, but add more keywords at the start of your description. Finally, don't rely solely on Etsy's algorithm. Drive outside traffic using platforms like Pinterest. Pinterest has an engaged user base, and users are often there for shopping inspiration. Create eye-catching pins targeting your audience, linking them directly to your Etsy shop or product listings. This increases the chance of customers clicking through and making a purchase. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tricks to boost your Etsy game. Comment down below with your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.